Monday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 30s. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Lows around 20. Tuesday, cloudy with chance of snow. Colder. Highs in the upper 20s. Chance of snow 30%. Tuesday night, cloudy with chance of snow. Lows around 11. Chance of snow 40%. Wednesday, mostly cloudy with slight chance of snow. Highs in the lower 20s. Chance of snow 20%. Wednesday night and Thursday, partly cloudy. Lows around 7. Highs around 30. A winter weather advisory is in effect for the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, Payne and Pottawatomie. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a winter weather advisory for light accumulating snow, which is in effect until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time this afternoon. Timing through mid-afternoon. Main impact: periods of snow, mostly light, but with accumulation around 2 inches. Be careful if you have to travel. Even small amounts of ice and snow can make roads and sidewalks slick and dangerous. You are listening to Oklahoma City Weather Radio, and here are 2 p.m. weather observations. At Oklahoma City, it was cloudy. The temperature was 25 degrees, the dew point 19, and the relative humidity 78%. The pressure was 30.10 inches and falling. At Bethany, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 26, the dew point 13, and the relative humidity 57%. The wind was northwest at 5. The pressure was 30.11 inches and falling. At Dinker Air Force Base, light snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1 1/4 miles. The temperature was 23, the dew point 19, and the relative humidity 86%. The pressure was 30.10 inches and falling. At Guthrie, snow was falling, reducing the visibility to 1/2 mile. The temperature was 25, the dew point 18, and the relative humidity 74%. The pressure was 30.11 inches and falling. Observations from around the region: snow was falling with a temperature of 21 at Tulsa and 26 at Dallas-Fort Worth. At Amarillo, it was sunny with a temperature of 37. At Wichita, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 28. It was cloudy with a temperature of 29